Today, I decided to teach my freaking dumbass computer about fashion. How do I do it? I don't know either. Let's find out. After watching some tutorials, I learned about AI, Torch, its tensor. In conclusion, what I understand was AI is like a car, Torch is like a car manufacturer, and Tensor is the raw material that AI is built off. And to put some fashion sense in this AI, we need a lot of data, almost thousands of images. But thankfully, all of these has been provided open source for anyone in the internet, named Fashion MNIST. Somehow I find a way to display these images, but wait, they aren't fashion clothes, they are numbers. There we go. This might look like barely recognizable clothes, but it is more than enough for AI. The AI doesn't see a shirt, it sees numbers. Now, first step is to convert these images into tensors, which is the data type that Torch, AI understand, and normalized that tensor. Then, split it for training and testing the model. And here are the total images we have, which is a lot of images, or tensor, to process. So we group it into batches of 64. Now, time to create the real neural network. This code creates a super simple, multi-layered perceptron neural network, which takes in our images, process it through neural layers, and give us the output as probability of its label. Next, we created a function that trains the model. Based on the output, if the model prediction wrong, the function will say, "Hey bro, fix this," and model will fix itself. How? Mathematics, especially calculus. And me here, who did not study mathematics in whole life. Thankfully, the Torch does all the stuff. Moving on, we created functions that test the model from images that model have never seen. The test dataset. At last, we implemented all the stuff and trained the model. It is doing pretty good, as you could see in this. This chart shows how our model improved as we trained it. On the left, we're looking at the model's mistakes. On the right, we see accuracy. Interesting thing I noticed here is, if we flipped one of this graph horizontally, we could see it overlapping each other perfectly. Yeah, that's it. Okay, time to test this model, ourselves. So, I have made this simple function, which displays random images from our test dataset, and we could choose any of image to predict. Now, let's test it. And boy, what is going on? Now it is working well. It's time to check AI's fashion sense. Yep, that's a bag. Let's try again. Spot on. Now, let's test it with an image from Google or a regular image. Will this neural network could tell what is it? Let's try it out. And we're using some simple images here because, well, this AI is kind of dumb. The reason, I made it. Anyway, let's do this. Damn, it's not a bag. Let's try again. Flip the image. Now, that's what we're talking about. All right, moving on to t-shirts, the AI is doing pretty good. Next up, this Nike bag. Wow, great job. With this, we've managed to teach our AI some basic fashion sense. And honestly, it was pretty fun. If you've stuck with me till now, thanks a lot. This is Yush MGR, signing off.